Part of the Trump administration's cuts to government spending, funding for a program is getting slashed that pays for legal representation for migrant children in court when they come to the U.S. without a parent. Let's bring back KGUN 9's Athena Kehoe now to break down the impact of this change. Athena?
That's right. Some administration officials are concerned that providing legal services to unaccompanied minors could encourage more families to send their kids to the United States in hopes of them gaining legal status. The Sixth Amendment states the right to counsel, which applies for criminal trials. I sat down with Tucson immigration attorney Mo Goldman to get his take.
It's important to have representation. It is especially important when it's young children who are the most vulnerable in our society.
But there's no right to a court-appointed attorney if you can't pay for one in immigration court, and this applies to children. Goldman says that's the disconnect between criminal and immigration court.
And that's why we have this type of agreement where, different organizations are funded to help these minors.
Goldman worries about migrants being vulnerable without representation.
There's a problem with capacity. Do they have the capacity to sit in front of a judge and try to do their own defense in an immigration court?
The Acacia Center for Justice is a national nonprofit and receives funding to help migrant kids be connected to legal representation. This funding plans to be cut, but they can continue with legal orientations. ABC News reports that 26,000 migrant children currently receive legal representation through government funding. However, funding for attorneys to set up Know Your Rights workshops for detained migrant children will remain in effect. In studio, Athena Kehoe, KGUN 9.